Dear student, today I'll be explaining you linking part of HTML5. Linking means connecting one page to another web page, or in the same page connecting from one part to another part of the page is known as linking. So there are three types of linking: internal linking, local linking and global linking. When in the same web page we are connecting from one part to another part of the page, that is called internal linking. When in the same website from one page to another web page we are connecting, that is called local linking. When from one website page we are connecting to another page of another website, that is called global linking. For any kind of linking we are using tag A. Now here I have given you code for linking. Now we have to set few attributes for linking. These are the color of the link, visited color, hover color and active color. What is it I am explaining you? Link color means the text which will be containing link to a part of web page or another website. So the color which you will set, that will be link color. When you will open the web page in any browser, the text which is containing link will appear in blue, as I have written blue. Now visited link color I set green. What does it mean? When you will be clicking on the link text and you will be connecting to another web page, and from there when you will come back to the original or host web page, you will find the link color will change to green. What does it mean? You have visited that link. You will find your email also which you have checked, those email color is changed, and which you have not checked, or that color is different. When we are moving mouse pointer on any text which is containing link, that color will be orange, which is set by hover attribute. Now finally it is active link color. When I'll be clicking on any link text, that color will be red, as I have set active color. Now I have designed one web page. In that I have written ahref table.html with hyper reference. Here it is. I have given name table.html. Then I wrote sports data, then slash a. What does it mean? On web page, sports data will appear with link. If I'll be clicking on sports data, so table.html web page will be opening. Now if I have to open any other website page, so that time I have to include this HTTP protocol also, as well as www server also you have to mention. Okay, then name of the web page which you want to link. And as I wrote slash a, between a and slash a I wrote click here. So when I'll be clicking on click here, this web page live.com will be opening. Similarly, if you have to connect to any email ID, so that time you have to mention mail to word. So ahref is equal to mail to, and then the email ID which you want to connect. For example, in many web pages you find contact this or that. So here I have written contact school and a slash a. So what will happen when I'll be clicking on contact school, that email link will be opened, and in to address dpsvilai@gmail.com will be there, and you can type your text and you can mail. And finally when this web page you will Finally, when you will be browsing the website, then you will find the text which is containing link will appear in blue color and with the underline. Now here link color you can see blue color, as I have set link color as blue. When you will be clicking on this link, then you will find the active link color whatever you have set, that will be shown here. Then when you will move mouse on this text which is containing link, then the hover color will be shown. And finally, when by clicking on this link, you will be visiting other web pages and you will come back to this host page again. You will find the text which is containing link, it will change to visited color link. Thank you.